Hey guys, this is Dipankar back with another video, and today I have a Quantum's new power bank QHM 10000. The power bank comes with good build, having leather finish and nice features. So I decided to try it, and in this video I will be talking about its performance. But before that, let me show you the unboxing. At the back side of the box, specifications and features of this power bank have been printed. As the name says, this power bank comes with 10,000 mAh battery capacity. The body of the power bank is made of plastic but with leather finish. It also has stitching on the front to give you leather feel. The power bank looks good and build quality is also excellent. Due to the leather finish and curvy edges, it offers good grip and feels nice. At the front, it has 4 LED indicators along with a button for checking power level. At the top, it has a micro USB port for charging the power bank and a LED torch. It has 3 full-size USB ports at the left side, so you can charge 3 devices at the same time. This is the primary advantage of this power bank. The power bank performs well. I could fully charge OnePlus 5 having 3300 mAh battery capacity twice and around 20% last time. Later, I tested it with Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 having 5000 mAh battery capacity. I could charge it from 5% to 100% once and then from 4% to 40% once. So efficiency of this power bank is good. The power bank takes around 6 hours in fully charging from 0 to 100%. I never felt any kind of heating during my usage, neither when it was on charging nor while charging any of my devices with it. Both input and output support 5V 2A charging. It also supports pass-through charging, so you can charge this power bank and your phone with it at the same time. The torch feature is also a good addition and can be helpful in many cases. Press and hold the power key to turn on the torch and do the same or press power key twice to turn it off. To keep your devices safe, this power bank features intelligent input and output control. It also has built-in short circuit protection, overcharge protection and overheat protection. QHM 10000 by Quantum is a good power bank that is no different from other 10,000 mAh power bank from Quantum. The company has several other power banks with same kind of features. It has same performance but offers a different design that you will surely like. If you are looking for a good 10,000 mAh power bank, you can also consider this one. I have added the best buy links in the description. That's it for this video. If you have anything to ask, you can leave it in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you guys in the next one.